How to create stacked subplots with pandas. I want to create stacked subplots for my data. I want to have subplots by type, week as my x-axis, and scores to be stacked. This is what I have now, if I add an argument subplot equals true.
I think, but I'm not sure, that it is difficult to combine stacked and subplots options. So here is a solution producing, I hope, the expected output but may be improved.
If I understand you correctly, you can add the stacked equals true argument?
If you want to support the channel, do consider liking and subscribing.